Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about experiment 5 of CompilerLab. It is a simulation of deterministic finite automata, in short term DFA. So what a DFA is, it has no ambiguous state transactions, that's all. So it's simply like this. Let's skip all the theory part and go to what should be the input and what should be the output. So as you can see over here, this is the DFA transition table they have given us. So these are the main state. These are the four states given. Assuming A is the final initial state and D is the final state. And for particular input of A, B, we'll be considering only two input values, A or B. For a particular input, these are the transitions that happen in a particular state. So as they have given here a sample state transaction, that is A and B, will the output should be yes. So it's a valid input. So let's simulate this the same thing in a program. Okay. Uh, yeah. So this is the this is the program of the file. In simple terms, I'll explain you what it is. I'll be taking the initial state. I'll be defaultly taking the initial state as A. So by default, we are already in the state A, and for the input A, it will go to this. The state will change to B, and for the input B, it will remain in A. Or else, if it's something other than A, B, or other than A, B, will be having an invalid input output. Like it will be showing as an invalid input. So how do we determine if the input is proper? So after the completion of the whole string, if the final state is in D, then the input is received, or else we'll be saying that it's a incorrect input or incorrect format, whatever it is. So now let's simulate this. Okay, so I'll be running program. So, what's the string they have given here? A and B. I'll be doing the same thing, A and B. Okay, it's the input is received, as we can see over here. So, let's check it with the normal thing. So, for the A transition, it goes to the B state, and for the second input A and B state A, it remains in B, and B, the third input is B, which goes to it goes to C state, and the fourth input is B, then it goes to D state. So the finally after the whole string, the last state we are on is D, so the input is accepted. Let's check for some other things. Let's say A. See, it's an incorrect input. So after completion of all these things, it still remained in B state, so it's an incorrect input. This is my experiment 5 compiler lab. Thank you.